Okay guys, this is a really quick tutorial of how to use the software. Now, as in the name, Easy Sketch Pro, it really is easy to use. So we find that just by experimenting yourself, you'll really catch on how to create these amazing doodle cartoon videos. So this is going to be a really quick demonstration for you. Okay, so basically, the one thing to note is the white box on the screen. That is where you're going to place all your images, your text and your video to create your new doodle video. Okay, so it's so important to make sure that your images and text are within the boundaries of the white screen. So to add an image, we just click on the image button. We've got a massive library of images, so you just choose the one that you want. It's placed on the canvas. You then double click the image and that allows you to resize it, rotate it, do whatever you want. And once you move and place the image where you want on the canvas, that is where the image will be drawn by the software. So for example, I can then click preview now and look where the image is drawn. Perfectly where I placed it. Okay, from here we can add text. And like with any text editor, you can choose the different fonts, different colors, bold, italic, underline, literally do whatever you want. As soon as you put that in, just click the OK button. Again, double click on the text or the image or whatever it is that you've placed on the canvas. You can resize it. Once you've placed it where you want it to be, just let it go and click the preview again, and you will see that it is drawn exactly where we left it on the canvas. Okay, you can also add video, really straightforward. Locate a video on your PC. You can tick this radio box that's sketch to video, which it'll literally sketch the opening scene and then it'll transition to video, which is a really cool effect. Sometimes it can take a while for that to upload depending on your computer's memory, so I won't show you that now, but it really is easy to use. Music, we can add any music you want. If you wanted to upload an MP3 file, your own music, you just click browse here, get one from your PC, but we've got an extensive library here, as you can see. So you just pick one, you can click the play button to listen to what it sounds like. Okay, if you want that one, you just click the add. If you tick the loop music, it means when it gets, say your video is 5 minutes long, but the music is only 3 minutes long. Once the music gets to at the end of the 3 minutes, it will start again, so it's not having a blank space in terms of your video being 5 minutes long. So you can click loop the music and then click add. Okay, so that's now processed. So again, if we click the preview button, you will now hear the music along with the text and the image. Okay, it's really easy to use. Voiceover, if you wanted to create your own voiceover on using your own PC, just make sure you've got a very high quality microphone. Otherwise, we do recommend going over to fiverr.com and just getting one done for $5, then importing it via the music button here. Okay. Backgrounds, you can choose any of these backgrounds which look really cool because you can do the doodle videos on the white billboards, but make sure you choose the background at the beginning of your video, right at the beginning. And then the hands, so if I press the preview, you see this guy's hand here with like a marker pen. So we can choose lots of different hands. We've got all the different creeds and colours and everything of all the different people. So for example, there's a white child male here, so this child has got a crayon in the hand. We can have different sizes. So if I just click that crayon, now if you just watch when I press the preview button, so it's drawing out the video using a crayon. We've got paintbrushes, markers, pens, pencils, you name it. Everything you can think of is in the hands section for every type of video that you will ever need. Chalks. So yeah, so guys, it's just a case of basically building out your video from start to finish. Once you've run out of space on your particular canvas, so I'm just going to add a few more of these. So I've just run out of space there, for example. All you need to do, just like PowerPoint, click Add New Slide up here. So as soon as we click the Add New Slide, a new canvas will be created, and then we can carry on adding our images or text or video to build out our new video. Once you click the preview button, you'll see it goes through and transitions to the next canvas smoothly. Okay, and one other thing I just want to show you is if you double click any image and then right click with your mouse and go to properties, you can then choose lots of different cool features, like instead of drawing by hand, you can drag by hand, fade in, drag, draw, fade out. You can literally do whatever you want. You can make the timings of the images draw longer. Okay, so the timing of the draw is 3 seconds. You can make that as long as you want, depending on how you want to highlight certain particular things within the video. You can make the timing of the fading, the timing after. So really, what I would suggest is just experimenting on your own and getting used to the different settings, because it really is easy to use. Once you've created your video, you just click the export button here, and it will save your video as an MP4 file. Now it's important to just name your video. You don't need to put .mp4 and then just name your video as it says there. So this one might be sports, and then when I click save, it'll save it as sports.mp4. You can then upload that to Facebook, YouTube, and use it on your website. Do literally whatever you want. Once you've got the video on your desktop, we've then got the interactive side of Easy Sketch Pro 3.0. This is the interactive side, lets you add interactive elements to the video, like live links and opt-in forms and everything else. We've got a new tutorial video that shows you how to do that. So once you've got your video created on your desktop, just come back here, click the interactive link, log in to the interactive side of the software, then you can start adding the really cool interactive icons to your videos.
Wuggy, wuggy, wuggy.
You gotta feel it. It's electric.
Wuggy, wuggy, wuggy.
Ooh, it's shaking. It's electric.
Wuggy, wuggy, wuggy.
Jiggly Miss Savannah, she's a puppy like a chicka, 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 chicka. She got the boogie. Now you can't hold it. It's electric.
Wuggy, wuggy, wuggy.